Hey guys, we have here our Toyota Corolla, and in this video we want to explain to you how to pair a smartphone to our radio by Bluetooth. So in this case we're using here an iPhone 14, but it works in the same way, or pretty much the same way for Android-based smartphones as well. So the first thing we have to do is we're going to press here the menu hard key on the left side, and then we find here Setup. And in the screen that we see here now, we have the option to select Bluetooth. And maybe sometimes you're going to see here this little pop-up as some information, but then we should immediately see here add a new device. So at this point we're going to switch over to our smartphone, and we're going to as well go into the settings menu here. And one of the first options that we find is going to be Bluetooth. So let's select that, go into this screen, and then here we have to make sure that Bluetooth is enabled on our phone as well. And then on the bottom of the display, bottom of the screen, we should find the Toyota Corolla. And now there may be a couple of questions popping up on our smartphone, and we can either decline or accept those. So for example, downloading the contacts to the car radio. And also we may see some pop-ups on the radio itself, so we can eventually skip those. And that was already it. So at this point, our smartphone is already paired to the Toyota Corolla radio, and now it's ready to be used to either make phone calls or play music. Okay, so that was already it for this video. Hope you found the information helpful. And if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.